Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Vatek Waybag. So, so this stock is very good when you consider the financials and fundamentals, and the stock's movement is quite bullish right now, and the stock is quite cheap when we compare the company's business and its financials. So it's a good stock for long term, and now it is ready to break out the range which is followed since 2015. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So the stock is above the major confluence area, which is a range between 300 to 330 price range. So this can be taken as a major confluence area because look at the reaction to the price range by the stock. So the stock considered this price range as the major resistance and support so far. So now the stock is very good, and the bullishness in the stock is not hidden. So look at the price that is above the major confluence area. So it's a positive thing for the stock, but the stock is still below the listing price. So we should consider this listing price as the major resistance for the stock right now. So if the stock started moving higher the listing price, then we can expect a good up move in the stock. So let me draw the major trend line that is followed by the stock since the start of the downtrend. So this is the major downtrend that's followed by the stock since 2015. From 2015 the stock was on the downtrend, and now it's ready to move higher. So the signs are very good. So taking entry at current market price is quite not advisable because there are two resistance which the stock should face in the upcoming days. So taking entry above the price range of 400 or 410 is very much advisable for long term. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So in the weekly chart, the price actually came out of the primary downtrend and somehow struggled and moved higher within the range, and now it's at the resistance of the downtrend. So it's a good thing that the stock is trading near the resistance for more than 2 months. The stock was followed a good channel since 2020, and now the stock gave a breakout from a range which is followed since 2020, and also gave a clear breakout from a long term confluence area. So look at the rejection here. The rejection at the trend line is very powerful for going long. So taking entry above this candle's high, it's around 380, is advisable. But look at the rejection happened in this bullish candle. So it's very dangerous to see. So this is because the resistance of long term, and also the listing price act as a resistance which is around 400. So taking entry above the 400 price range is very much advisable in the stock, and the stock is actually bullish in weekly chart because it gave a breakout from a channel pattern taking retracement, and I personally hold this stock from the price range of 215 and now it's around 346. So I don't feel uncomfortable in the stock because the business is good and the order inflows is very good. So taking entry in the stock is very good even at current market price, and conservative entry can take entry above the price range of 410. So 410 can be a good range of resistance. So after the breakout of the 410 range, the stock may fly like anything. So taking entry above 400 and 410 range is advisable because of the long term resistance and the listing price resistance. So now let's analyze the targets for short term in the daily chart. Before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In that group, you can ask regarding any stocks. So kindly make use of it. So let me clear all this before analyzing. So in the daily chart, the stock is actually in a good sideways zone. So the stock is just manipulated like that. So look at the manipulation happened here. So the stock gave a breakout from this range and it came down without any effect, and here it is manipulated once again for acquiring the stocks in very cheap prices. So some big hands entered here. So after entry, the stock just started moving higher and it took a retracement here, so it will start moving higher like this. So currently the stock is in a sideways, so taking entry is fine, but take 380 as a target, and for long term entry take 410 as the entry price. For short term, if the stock broke the price range of 400 or 410, then one can expect 487 as the first target for the stock. So taking entry at current market price can place target around 380. It's a good target actually, and taking entry above 410 for short term can place target around 487. So the stock is very good, and taking entry above the 406 or 410 level will give a easy 20% upside within a couple of months. So before buying the stock, just analyze whether it comes under your style, and if you feel the content is useful, make sure you like the video and share it with your family and friends. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.